came so far for beauty. I left so much behind. My patience and my family, my masterpiece unsigned. I thought I'd be rewarded for such a lonely choice, and she would surely answer to such a hopeless voice. I practiced on my sainthood, I gave to one and all, but the rumor of my virtue moved her not at all.